So your parents have suggested you become a chartered accountant. Why on earth would you do that? Now, don't dismiss it out of hand, okay? If you're a graduate, all right, if you're a high school student, uni student, and you're thinking about careers, which you probably should do at some point, why would you consider chartered accounting? Here's a few facts about accounting. Did you know that the average tax agent in Australia is over the age of 60? Wow, that's a lot of really old people. That's true, and numbers are declining rapidly. So why would you join an industry like that? Well, the regulatory burden and the compliance burden, the tax burden is forever increasing. And if all the people doing that work are old and going to retire, opportunities. Second reason, it can be massively profitable if you run your own firm and do it well. You can work the hours you want to work, the way you want to work. It offers massive, massive flexibility. You can work from anywhere. There are plenty of opportunities to do to work in niche businesses. If you have a particular passion about something, let's say your passion is pets and animals. You can become an accountant for vets and dog walkers and pet shops. And you know all about it. Become the world's leading expert in accounting and tax for pet shops. All right, there are people out there who do that. So you can literally follow your passion. Secondly, thirdly, perhaps, it's a business that's ever changing. Nothing is ever the same. Okay, so if you like learning, if you actually enjoy learning new things, then small business accounting is actually a fantastic way to follow that, because things are always changing, the rules are always changing, the tax laws are always changing, the court cases are coming through. Technology is changing constantly. Even in my time in the profession, the last 25 odd years, Excel wasn't really a thing, but I did have clients who did manual accounting ledgers. Then along came cloud accounting, right, and cloud computing. Then we've had work from home, of course. Massive, massive revolution in how accountants communicate. Pre-COVID, of course, Teams meetings were a rarity. Zoom calls, what the hell were they? Everyone was in the office. Now you're set up to work from anywhere, anytime. And now AI is here, right? Another massive change in the business that will invariably cause seismic shifts in how we operate. But the good thing about accounting is it's always been there. Even far back, you go back to the Roman times, the Babylonian times, there's always been accountants, right? Why? Because someone's got to add up and tell the boss how much they've actually made. Someone's got to collect the taxes. Someone's got to navigate those laws about how much tax to actually pay. And so from that perspective, like I said, it's a business that's never going to go away. It's actually massively, massively profitable. Okay, it's not as sexy as a tech startup, which will go to $1 billion. And, maybe you won't make $1 billion float on the ASX or NASDAQ, but, most millionaires are not tech entrepreneurs. Most millionaires actually run fairly boring state businesses. And that's one of the massive benefits of this as a career.